We're gonna do something a little bit different today. Since I film everything vertical for short form content, I am going to sit here and watch the video with you guys and comment about it so that I can fill up the edges and it's not just blurry on the side. So let's go. This is Estonia 2024, the contest out there. And yeah, this is us skating a boat.
With
mostly
your socks
everybody
on,
else. And Jake lost his board.
I got more socks.
I love
Was gonna
that.
jump in
keep
there
them on, dude.
with his socks on, and decided not to.
Swamps of
Thought he should have
Estonia.
kept them on though.
Shut up. I feel stuff under the boat. Yes!
It actually took him a while to find his board, and of course, immediately jumps into the water. This dude Pedro, he is really good. I heard about him a little bit before, and once I saw him skate, I was very impressed. Very, very good. Benjamin doing all the sick moves.
Whoa! Like the kingpin lock. Whoa, Pedro. Jesus.
It was definitely pretty wild skating the boat while it was moving. There's
Wait, we don't want to go. We want to slow down.
a bunch of little kids rowing around. This dude Stelio is really good. Good style, super good style. Mr. Aguilar. Pretty sick. Let me know if you guys think this is sick at all, me watching this video with you guys. So many times, boards almost went over. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys think this is sick, me watching this video with you guys, or if it's whack, whatever. Let me know. We're just trying something new. So good, the little tail tap in. That was wild. Landed double back foot. Yeah, Pedro was killing it. I love that trick, alley-oop backflip. Okay, that was wild. Downhill frontside air. Don't ever really see that one. That was crazy.
That little boat.
Bunch of pedestrians just cruising around being like, what the heck is going on?
Yeah!
Dude.
Fucking massive, bud.
Know me.
He's got that trick so good. And then in the full cab back D. So sick. This was crazy. I feel like he could have done this. He didn't land it, but I feel like he could have done it if the boat was going slower. He tried it a couple times though. We went underneath a couple bridges, and those were like separate bridges. And my stupid little hand plant. These guys were keeling it. Whatever those things are called. I don't know what they are, but they look fun. Some doubles action.
Yeah.
This guy filming with this fishing pole camera. So funny. The Sean Hale special. Nose press back 3. Wild one. This was terrible. Dude, and his glasses fly off. I'll pause it right here. Like, his glasses are just in the air. Those flew off of his head. He was good, but he messed up his shoulder. I don't know exactly what happened to his shoulder, but he did something to it. Another Sean Hale special. Fakie 3 shove, pivot shove. Nolan. Really good street skater. Also good at transition as well. Damn, backside bonelessing. I think this was when the boat stopped. And then, yeah, they just had the, whatever, the crowd just sitting over there. Danny Leon, he's so good. One of my favorite skaters now. Yep, and then they had the jump ramp into the water. I didn't do it because the water is cold. To me, it was cold. It wasn't that bad, but everybody had like floaties zip tied to the bottom of their boards. And I think everybody was just like, there was only like a couple boards that people were using. This guy had some floaties attached to his handlebars. That's how they were getting the bikes over there. They were just rowing them over.
Those are good times.
Julian, he like almost made it full 360 around this thing. He tried it for a while. I think he did a better one than this, but I just ended up not filming it. No one getting smoked. This is a rail that was actually really close to our hotel, like within skating distance of our hotel. And Nolan got a couple tricks on it. Pretty sick.
Beast. What a beast.
There's this guy watering the flowers up there. It's pretty sick. Properly using the handrail. Some pirate boat. This is sick.
Yeah.
Nolan did that pretty easy, I want to say, and then he wanted to do the whole thing, and it took him quite a while to do the whole thing. That's sick.
An hour and a half to just lean over that way.
Yeah, like an hour and a half.
Felt so hard my bracelet came off.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, Tim broke his bracelet. They always have those like little wooden pieces at the end of them, and they're actually kind of annoying because if you hit your hand on them, it like hurts your hand. I always take it off and just tie the bracelet on there. This was a new skate park they built out there that was like opened when we got there, and they had a demo there. This was crazy. Pedro just somehow managed to do this whole lip slide. And it was funny because I was filming the whole time, and then the one time I didn't film, which is this clip, he ended up landing it. I had to just get this clip from somebody else. Can't even remember. But that was crazy. That was wild. It took him a while for sure. And I asked Danny to do this frontside flip, and he did 2 of them. And this is first try. So good.
You're insane, bro. That was beautiful. Thank you.
This guy filming with his computer. Sick. Super sick angle, bruh. That guy was actually really nice. He was dope. What was that? I think that was a one clip that I grabbed from somebody. Pat Duffy. Man. Double D sitting right there too. This lady and her dog had the same outfit.
He's always.
This was sick. All these spots out here are like pretty crusty. Like these bricks are just not forgiving. He was getting work, dude. Oh, like the champ he is, pulled through. Boom. So sick. Computer filming, dude. Yeah, then these ladies like wanted to take a picture with them, and she was like, "Can you hold my dog?" She's all like trying to like get the angle. Oh man. Funny.
I need to see the slides longer. I need to see the
Coach Ben. This was like before the
I need
finals.
to see the spins. You got a 5.
Yeah, but like.
This guy's showing us how to open a beer with a pin without puncturing it.
Get it to
All
5.
I did was just rub it along the edge. Danny Leon jumping over people and then back in.
Makes the noise for
That was
Tim
wild.
Aguilar.
Tim. I think he was like one of the first people to go.
He's been charging hard. Look at that sweeper that we had here in Tar 2, backside. Look at this one.
He actually
There's the
landed
backside
a
bonus.
whole run, didn't fall, which is pretty hard to do in a contest.
Flying over the hip backside. Look at this. Backside 1-footer. They call it Southern California. Good to see him getting on the course. The low C grind. Oh, from Tim. Front side 5 through the bull. Backside nose pick.
Nose pick disaster. So sick. Yeah, Tim. Nolan. This gap to board, nobody else was doing that. Nobody was gapping to that rail. I feel like he got robbed a little bit because he did a good run. Like, I don't think he fell. Maybe he did. I can't remember. But yeah, he ended it with that wall ride too. Mr. Rayborn. So after that slam on the mini ramp, he was chilling. I think like right here you can see him like grab his shoulders. And then he just mini ramped it. But yeah, he was chilling. He was done. There's no point in trying to hurt himself even more. And then Sean, back 180 fakie 5-0. Crazy trick. That is so hard. My run. Ended up landing the whole run, which, I mean, it wasn't anything too crazy in it. I'm just kind of keeping it mellow. Board sliding the rails, kick flipping the room gaps from boards. Illusion flip. It was the second run, the 360, the kickflip melon.
Good to see him everywhere.
And then Jake killed it. God. Frontside D is so good. Dude, he has that trick so good too, the kickflip back D's. And Pedro, he killed it. So I think Danny ended up winning this contest. I want to say Pedro got like second or third or maybe fourth. I can't remember, but he killed it though. The 3 flip over, almost washing out. Yeah, and then that was Greenland going over there. It's all snowy. But yeah, thank you, Simple Sessions. I will see you in March. I'm going out there again soon. Peace.